Ever wished a screwdriver could do more than just spin screws? Meet the Hoto PixelDrive, the tool that's changing the way hobbyists and tech enthusiasts work. This isn't your average electric screwdriver. The PixelDrive comes with an integrated dot matrix display that shows torque levels and battery life in real time. With torque adjustable from 0.5 to 6 Newton meters, it gives you ultimate precision, whether you're tightening a laptop screw or assembling your next gaming monster. Controlling speed has never been easier. Light press and it spins at 80 RPM. Press harder and it jumps to 200 RPM. 2 buttons for clockwise or counterclockwise rotation mean full control right at your fingertips. No fumbling, no interruptions. Need to work in tight or dim spaces? A 360-degree LED ring lights the way, ensuring you never miss a detail. And with a 2,000 mAh battery, 1/3 larger than its predecessor, you get power that lasts, all rechargeable via USB-C in just 3 hours. The PixelDrive also doubles as a storage solution. Its unique cylinder opens in 3 sections to house all 30 included bits, keeping everything organized. And weighing just 317 grams, it's compact yet sturdy, perfect for long projects without fatigue. Available for pre-order at $79.99, the PixelDrive starts shipping November 15th. Whether you're a hobbyist, a tech tinkerer, or someone who loves clever tools, this is one electric screwdriver you'll actually want to show off. Precision, power, and a touch of innovation. Hoto's PixelDrive isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for anyone who loves working with their hands. Ready to upgrade your toolkit?